to fix Venmo dispute not being received. So let me tell you guys, since I can't access the Venmo app or website in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from Venmo to walk you through the process. Now, if a dispute notification or submission is not showing up in your Venmo mobile app, what you can do is check the dispute menu. Just open the Venmo, then log into your account, then tap settings in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap get help and then go to disputes to see if your case is locked even if a push notifications failed. Now the next what you can do is verify transaction eligibility. Standard peer-to-peer payments sent to friends cannot always be disputed unless flagged as unauthorized or made via goods and services. Now the next what you can do is scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data for the stable network connection, or just log out of the Venmo account and then immediately log back in, or just go to the existing Venmo app on your device, then tap and hold on it, then tap remove app and then tap delete app to confirm it. Once deleted, go to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, find the Venmo app and then re-download it from there. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.